Dang, that's a serious package. And what kind of rear end are you running in this? What's the width on this thing?
For those Toyota guys that are wondering, like, what happens if I disconnect all of my ABS? Nothing.
Hey, what's up guys? We're out here with Josh Montoya and this beautiful Tundra. You guys actually like drew it out on CAD or something?
Not on CAD, but
just drew it out for them.
Just drew it out for them.
Okay.
Even down to the trunk, man. Like
yeah, dude, show us.
I wanted this trunk, and my gas shocks are a little dated because they've been through some things. But
oh, I'm sure.
I mean, this thing.
But there's your trunk.
Yeah.
There it is.
She got junk in the trunk.
Purposeful junk.
Yeah, purposeful junk.
Some junk in the trunk.
These are all my spare fluids, you know, just spare.
Right on, dude.
I got hub in there, alternator.
Perfect.
I got
dude.
jumper cables. I got 6110 welding rod in here, just in case you got to weld. Like, you got two Optima red tops in here, so you put those in series, you can weld with that, you know.
Right on, man.
I actually bought these shocks off of Johnny Graves.
Okay.
Yeah, they're 4.0 5.2 bypass. 3.0
Dang.
coilover.
So you're running a 4.0.
Yeah.
4.0 and then a 3.0 coilover?
4.0 and a 3.0 coilover.
Damn,
and
dude, that
5 bump.
that's a serious package.
Yeah, dude,
That's what she said.
Yeah, she did say that.
Really? Really? That's nice. Real classy.
And what kind of rear end are you running in this?
So it's a Curry full spool.
Okay.
I got 488s in it.
488s?
488s. LSK built the trailing arms for me. Yeah, we spec'd them. They built them to the size that my boy Pete designed for them. It's got trophy truck anti-wobbles up front. I like the LSK ones because they're uniballs. They're not Heims in the rear, so you don't.
Oh, is that right?
You don't have that shear point.
Dang, dude, these are some beefy
dude, they're both
links,
bro.
man. Look at this.
Like if you look
Damn.
over here, like they've been put to work, man.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I see
I
those
did that
swipes,
one
dude.
over the goat trail.
The one in Baja by the road?
Goat trail, yep.
The Goat Trail.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, for those of you that don't know, the Goat Trail in Baja is like, it runs right alongside the highway, right?
Yep.
And it's really famous because it's like a good spot to film, but it is tight as hell and there's some nasty rocks.
The underside, she's a little dirty, but I mean, I use this truck, you know.
It's like, looking good, dude.
She looks good out here, but you get underneath her, she's dirty. You know?
Hey, dude, she's used, man. That's good. What's the width on this thing?
So it's 91 inches in the front and it's 89 inches in the rear.
Okay, that's the perfect combo. That's it, the 2 inches.
Yeah, actually,
That's what they say, right?
that's
Isn't
what they
it?
say,
It's like
yeah.
about 2 inches down?
My crew chief, Keith Mila, he was the one who put me on game on that. I was gonna go like, you know, same, and he was like, dude, it'll start tracking if you don't. Like, there's a reason that race cars are like that, you know, so it doesn't track.
And what you mean by tracking is like the rear end will like kind of sway back and forth,
the whole car
right?
will like just kind of do this,
Mm.
you know, at high speed. So like, there's
Okay.
a reason, like, and then even when you like set your alignment, you want to set your toe in just in the 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch.
Yeah.
So it's kind of digging itself, you know. So like if you set it even, then it has a tendency to track.
Some good info right there,
Well,
brothers.
you know.
Yeah, exactly. There it is. Hell yeah, dude. And then what kind of fuel cell you running
So
this
I have
thing?
a fuel safe 50-gallon fuel cell.
50 gallon, dude. All right.
And then the boys at LSK actually helped me. So I have the stock fuel pump and sending unit in the
Oh, really?
yeah.
And you're able to like use that?
Yeah, so I
Really?
have the whole emission system. I plumbed the stock emission system back into it.
Okay.
For those Toyota guys that are wondering, like, what happens if I disconnect all of my ABS? Nothing.
Nothing.
Well, actually, okay, the only thing that happens is your speedometer doesn't work. And
Okay.
You got ABS light on, but your truck will still go.
But it'll still go, so you're fine.
Yeah, so just put a GPS in
Yeah,
your
you
truck
got
so
your
know-
GPS.
So you know how far you're going, track your miles.
Dang, and the miles per hour goes out?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, but your TAC works.
Okay.
Most importantly.
Okay, all right.
So-
That's important.
Yeah,
I like this.
like that.
Piece of What is this? The One Life Trauma
One Life
Kits.
Trauma Kits?
I see that on your hat.
Yeah.
I see
so,
this on here. What is One Life Trauma Kits, man?
Actually, One Life Trauma Kits is a company that I started 2017. There are trauma kits that I designed. Actually, there's one in my truck right here.
Okay.
There are trauma kits that I designed to go in race cars. I mean, you got all the top names in the sport running them, and I mean, like, if someone's bleeding to death, like you have the tools in that box to save their life. There's like, you know, top of the line tourniquets, there's Israeli quick clot bandages, there's eye wash, there's
that's like almost some like military style stuff.
The tourniquet, for example, is the only tourniquet on the market that has a U.S. Department of Defense seal of approval for combat because of how fast and effective it is.
Excellent.
Like, in less than 5 seconds, if someone's bleeding to death from like an arterial wound, you can save their life. I mean, I came up with that idea because I was involved in a terrifying pre-running accident for the Baja 500 in 2017. Really? Yeah, I had to use a ratchet strap to actually make a tourniquet to stop my friend from bleeding to death.
No way. So it was your friend. Oh my God, bro.
I was pre-running. I was co-driver. He was driving.
Yeah. Oh, and you guys had an accident. Damn, I'm really sorry to hear that, man. I'm happy that. No, was he good?
Oh yeah, he's good.
Oh.
He's still walking around.
We're like, Dios mío.
Ay, Dios mío.
Vaya con Dios.
Dang, man. Thank God, bro.
We have this joke now that he's part Mexican because they injected him with like
Mexican blood. That is an incredible story. I'm happy that you guys can laugh about it because it is a serious thing. That was a result of starting One Life Trauma Kits.
I started One Life Trauma Kits because of that. So I actually went to my friend who is a 4-time Afghan combat medic.
Okay.
And was like, dude, some that I see in Mexico is like, you know, broken legs, broken bones, you know, wounds, compound fractures, just, you know, all the nasty.
Yeah.
And he like dumps out his like whole trauma pack and like, I'm like, dude, I don't know what the hell this is. Or like, it was like tracheotomy stuff. I'm like, dude, I'm gonna kill somebody. Like, so I just basically like picked the things that I knew. This can save someone's life. This can stop someone from bleeding. This can like straighten someone's leg from, you know, immobilize it when it's broken.
Well, that's great, dude. You know. Well, I mean, since we're talking about it, I'll hop around the other side and we could kind of go over the inside of the truck.
Yeah.
All right, man. So let's check this thing out. So you got the PRP ostrich freaking seats. These are the homies right here, man. PRP.
I think those are the Pro Elites. I forgot which ones they are.
Nice, dude. You got so much room in here.
Yeah, man. So much room for activities, dude.
Dude, and you know,
I even got the stock. Like, look at, bro. You need some snacks like that.
Oh, there we go. Cheetos. I'll only take. Oh, dude, this works out perfect. This is my combo right here, so we're good. I'm just missing beef jerky. Cool. You got a. Most importantly,
you gotta have a man. She twerks, man. She gets after it when we getting after it.
I think everybody knows I'm always a fan of like keeping the stock dash. It's a great looking dash.
Yeah,
I like how it matched.
I didn't want to run into like, okay, now I gotta like redo all the electrical, and now I gotta redo all the steering components. Now I was just like, man, like I just want to keep it as close to stock as possible. That was my whole intent.
So you got full 4 seats in here, dude. All this still works. This is so incredible.
The only thing that doesn't work out of all of it is
Oh, there we go.
Is this, like you can see right here, where the cage ties in.
Oh, dude, no. I mean, for any stock overhead light to work in a pre-runner is a win, you guys. So this is awesome. That's very cool. Awesome, man. And then you're running Lawrence?
Yeah, I got the Lawrence GPS in here. I mean, this has everything from taco stands to the Baja 500, 1000, 250, all of them.
As long as you got the taco stands, bro.
As long as you got the taco stands,
we're good. And then back seats.
AC still works. Heater still works.
Oh, the AC. There we go. And you dynomatted this.
Yes, the whole thing is dynomatted top to bottom.
Well, so you want to tell people why it's important to dynomat?
So it doesn't sound like you're in a tin can. Well, regardless of the dynomat, the bypasses, they resonate through the cage, so you're gonna hear them regardless. And Kings are way loud, so there's nothing to do about it. But
you're gonna hear it, but it could be a lot worse without it.
You know, it's funny. Like my sister jumped in the truck, and she's never been in an off-road car. She's like, it sounds like wind chimes, like ding, ding, ding.
Oh yeah.
Like yes. Yeah,
any plans for this thing after this?
Dude, honestly, man, I'm so torn. Like I want to keep like putting money in this thing. I'm debating on selling it. I don't even know, man. Like
she's done. She works, man.
Dude, she's tried and true. She's proven, man. I got a new radio. I got a Switch Pro for her. I got a bunch of goodies that I'm just like.
Yeah.
Got them.
Dang, dude. Well, that's cool, man. Here, we'll go to the front over here. We're on Instagram earlier, and somebody posted that we were gonna go meet up with you, and people had questions, bro. Somebody said, I want to start the conversion of my first gen Tundra, but I don't know where to start.
Honestly, it took me about a year of like just accumulating all my parts.
Okay.
And then when it was time to like chop the truck in half, like I just basically handed the fab shop like, here's all my stuff. Like,
so gather all your stuff first.
Gather all your stuff first. The guys are like, oh, I'm gonna build my front end first. Then they sit with their truck like this for a year and a half, and they're, you know, cruising with the super wide front end, and like then they go try to run it through the desert, and the front end's working, and the ass end's just doing whatever it wants. The bed's twerking everywhere. Like if you're gonna do it, like just grit your teeth and get into it.
Just dive in, man. Full commitment, guys. So hey, man, Josh, thank you so much. I think we're gonna try to meet up with Josh sometime. I think we got some stuff to go over in the future, some co-pilot stuff.
Oh
right?
yeah, for sure, man.
And maybe we can go pre-running with him one day.
Absolutely.
Document this thing in action. I think we have to shoot this thing. I'm like,
oh yeah, this parking lot doesn't do it justice.
so thank you guys so much for checking out the episode. If you guys have any questions for Josh, we'll throw his Instagram in there. Anything else about the truck that maybe we missed, throw it in the comments. Maybe we could help answer some of that stuff. Like, subscribe, all that stuff. We have a merch store where we sell our stuff if you guys ever want to support us. And if you guys have any questions for One Life Trauma Kits, you guys can hit up Josh. You guys have an Instagram, right?
Yep, at One Life Trauma Kits.
At One Life Trauma Kits. We'll throw
Holla
it there.
at your boy.
Yeah, get at them, guys. Keep people safe. Keep people in the desert safe. Thank you guys for checking out the episode. We'll see you guys around next time.
Tundra.